In this chapter, we will study various types of Arduino boards, then their structures and specification of each board. When you open the site of Arduino, you can see there lots of Arduino boards. I will introduce you some entry-level boards like Arduino Uno, Arduino Nano, Arduino Micro, Arduino Duo, Arduino Mega, Arduino Leonardo, and Arduino Lilypad. First is Arduino Uno. It is having microcontroller at Mega 328P. It is having 14 digital input output pins. From that pins, 6 pins are PWM pins. It is also having 6 analog input pins. It is best choice for beginners who wanted to enter in embedded or IoT field. And its operating voltage is 5 volt. Now next is Arduino Nano. Like Arduino Uno, it consists of same microcontroller at Mega 328P. Then it is having 14 digital input output pins, 8 analog input pins and 6 PWM pins. As compared to other Arduino boards, it is small in size, also flexible and reliable, and its operating voltage is 5 volt. Next is Arduino Micro. It is having microcontroller at Mega 32U4. It consists 20 digital input output pins, 7 PWM pins and 12 analog pins. It's a shrunk version of Arduino Leonardo, means Arduino Micro and Leonardo uses same microcontroller and same number of input output pins. Only the difference is Arduino Micro is small in size as compared to Leonardo, and its operating voltage is 5 volt. Here is Arduino Leonardo. Like Arduino Micro, it also consists microcontroller at Mega 32U4. It is having 20 digital I/O pins, 7 PWM pins, and 12 analog input pins. And its operating voltage is 5 volt. Now next is Arduino Mega. It is having microcontroller at Mega 2560. Generally, this board is used in home automation systems. It consists large number of I/O pins, that is 54 digital I/O pins, 15 PWM pins and 16 analog pins, and its operating voltage is 5 volt. And the last is Arduino Lilypad. It is rounded shape. It consists microcontroller at Mega 168V. It is having 14 digital I/O pins, 6 PWM pins and 6 analog input pins. Its operating voltage is in between 2.7 to 5.5 volt. It is specially designed for wearable gadgets, that is in smartwatch or in some healthcare wearable devices. This table shows overview of Arduino boards. See, as per your project requirement, you can select your board. Suppose if your project requires less number of pins and also limited cost criteria, then go for Arduino Nano. If you require large number of pins for your big project, then go for Arduino Mega. And if your project demand for high speed and high processing power, then prefer Arduino Duo. But for beginners, I will suggest Arduino Uno, this one, because it is having specifications which meets most of the project requirements. Also, its size is medium, but you can mount most of the components on that. And also cost is moderate and it is easy to handle.